Hi guys, this is proving to be really difficult, and the reason why it's proving to be difficult is because sage only really truly burns properly when a house or your body is in a bad state. I have no idea why, but I can tell you this is a fact. Once a house is cleaned of negative, dirty energy, you can try and light sage as much as you want in this form and it won't light properly. I've been trying to light it for about 4 minutes. So if I continue, it may light after a while if I keep going hard enough. But this is always an indication to me that says I don't have to sage. And you know why? Because last night, after the Pure Energy Healing crystal course and all the clients that came, I did a full saging. The secret to saging, guys, is really, really simple. Everybody makes the common mistake that they think they just need to light a stick and just do this. It doesn't work. Saging works to its highest form when you absolutely cover the whole of the room. Filled with sage smoke. It has to be intense, almost like you can't breathe, your eyes are watering, then you know you've got a clear room. You walk out of the room, you lock all the doors and windows, you come back in 1 hour, and then the house is cleansed and cleared if you do every single room that way, even the toilet, the basement and the attic. It is vitally important that when you are doing your own cleansing on yourself, that you do it in either a wood bowl or one of those Mortland, I can't even remember the name, but anyway, you know, the big heavy ones, which are the reason why is because when this burns, it burns with fury. And one of the things that I found interesting over 13 years and over 2,000 houses and businesses I've cleansed, that this is absolutely an amazing measuring stick to whether the energy in that room is low or high when it sets on fire. So as you're blowing, if it sets on fire and it goes woof, then you know where you are at that given moment is where you need to be. Then blow the flames out and blow in that, blow, get the smoke where those flames are blown. It happens, not often, but it does happen. Then that gives you an indication that that room or that area needs to be cleansed and you need to keep working there for a little bit longer. When you're cleansing yourself, guys, it's ultimately important that you do the same thing. Start from your feet, blow, 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 blow. You need to be filled with smoke, 3 minutes at least, if possible 5 minutes. Then you walk away and you will feel cleansed and amazing. After 1 hour in the house or 2 hours in the house, you come back into the house, get yourself out, come back into the house, open all the doors and windows, and voila, that is what you call a true saging. Many healers and practitioners make the mistake that they think that it's intention that actually clears the negative energy with sage, a little bit of sage. It doesn't, guys. I've been doing it 13 years, I promise you. Intention is beautiful, but if you really want to clear heavy, negative, and what I call spirit trapped in between two worlds, you must really get as much smoke everywhere. And the reason why is I believe spirit trapped in between two worlds does not like sage, and they're normally off. I have never done a house cleansing that I've had to go back to. When I first started, I thought, oh, a little stick, this is it. It wasn't working. People weren't getting the benefit. I didn't feel it. Therefore, what I share with you is through experience. So I hope it helps. I love you all. In the next video, I hope to share some amazing tips on how to clear negative energy, but more importantly, how to keep it away from your life. Okay, take care. Have a great day. And thank you for subscribing to Matt Bajewski YouTube channel. Have a great day. Love you all. From my hat to yours.